simple but meaningful question. How responsible are people when a stranger places trust in them? In everyday life, we often rely on others, sometimes without even noticing it. We trust the person behind us in line, the stranger who holds the elevator door, or the commuter sitting beside our back. But what happens when that trust becomes a test of someone's moral character? To find out, we're conducting a social experiment where we'll sit on a public bench, ask a stranger to watch the bag, and step away. While they're gone, someone from our team will approach the bag to see how the stranger responds.
This experiment will help us observe three key elements. First is the moral agent, the individual placed in the position of trust. Second is the moral character, the values they reveal through their reaction. And lastly, the actual behavior they choose in the moment. Before we begin, we want to emphasize that this project is guided by proper ethical considerations. No participant will be harmed, pressured, or misled beyond the scenario, and everyone will be fully informed and ask for consent afterwards. Let's see how people respond when trust is placed in their hands.
Here's a reenactment of how the experiment works. The host sits on a public bench. After a moment, the host politely asks the stranger to watch the bag while stepping away briefly. Once the host is out of sight, another person who is the part of the experiment approaches the bench and reaches for the bag. We observe the stranger's reaction, which reveals their moral decision making.
Kita niyo yung bag dito? Yung bag po. Yung bag po, nakita niyo po. Color block. Kasi po. Kita niyo po yung bag dito. Yung bag po.
Laman!
Kasi medyo sanay na akong may tao.
Social experiment po for finals namin sa ethics po. So okay lang po na i-interview.
Ganun po. Sige.
So okay lang po kayo na mabidyohan. Kasi ipopost na namin siya sa YouTube.
Sino po?
Nandito kasama ko ngayon si...
Rolando po.
What was your immediate thought when someone reached for the bag?
Siguro po na medyo na-confuse ako kung ano yung gusto niya itanong sa akin, kung may kailangan po ba siya or anything na makakatulong po ako. Pero at that time po, hindi po ako nakatulong kasi medyo nag-aalala po ako sa finals ko.
Okay.
Kaya medyo nag-worry lang po ako sa nawawalan po na gamit.
Okay, then, hindi ko man actually na-ask sa inyo before ako umalis, pero feel mo ba responsible ka nung pagbantay ng bag or nung iniwan ko?
Siguro po may responsible po kasi di ba lahat naman po ng citizen may responsible as good ethics na rin po. Para as in makatulong ka kung may nawawalan ba ng gamit or anything na kailangan mo itulungan sa isang tao. Yun lang po.
Then, ito yung last question ko is, how do you think the trust between strangers works in today's society?
Probably medyo hindi na po kasi meron po tayo na purpose sa isang bagay na medyo tutok po tayo kaya yung ibang bagay po na nasa paligid natin or surrounding po natin hindi po natin agad napapansin.
So, ang impression ko kasi nung nilapitan ko yung bag, yung bumalik ako na hinahanap ko, feel ko naman talaga na nag-alala ka eh. Na, napansin mo ako na natataranta.
Pupunta-punta ka po. Akala ko nga po magsusumbong ka sa security guard eh.
Part kasi yun na mabigay ko yung weight ng problem ko sa ibang tao.
Mukha lang po sa appearance ko na hindi nag-worry. Pero deep inside po nag-worry po ako. Kaya sabi ko, ano kaya, may mag-post pa sa RTO Diaries kung may nawawalan po ba?
Okay. So, gusto lang namin na pasalamatan ka kasi syempre naging part ka nung requirement namin and pinakita mo yung kahit hindi mo problem is may empathy ka na nararamdaman para sa ibang tao. So,
Excuse me, te. Pwedeng pasuyo ng bag. May bibilin lang ako sa promo. Thank you. Te, excuse. Asan yung bag?
Ay, wait, kumuha. Akala ko po kayo yun.
Yung?
Akala ko po kayo po yung...
Ay, di ako yung... Sabi ko, bibili lang ako saglit eh. Nakamukhaan mo ba yung kumuha?
Hindi po eh. Hindi niyo po ba,
Alin?
wala po ba kayong kasama po?
Hindi, bumili lang ako saglit ng ano eh. Saan ba pumunta to?
Akala ko kasi talaga kayo yun.
Tatanong ko na lang sa guards. Lang tayo.
Sa may social experiment ko. Yung sa may social experiment.
Ito po.
Yung kaganito ko sa bag.
Social.
Bali,
Ano yung
ano po
hammer?
yung social experiment? Ayun po yung mic. Content ko.
kasama natin si Miss Denise and may few questions lang tayo about sa pinakitang act. So, ang question ko na is, what was your immediate thought when someone reached for the bag?
Akala ko po kasi siya talaga yun, hindi ko na po nakita. Kasi po busy nga po ako sa panonood, hindi ko na po siya napansin.
Feel nyo po ba responsible kayo dun sa pagkawala ng bag or pagkakuha?
Yes po, syempre po.
Bakit sa tingin nyo po ganun?
Kasi nung pinagkatiwala niya sa akin yung bag eh. Kasi sabi niya bibili lang siya ng Tapos hindi ko naman po akalaan na may kukuha po nun at hindi po siya. Tapos nung pagdating niya nga po, hinahanap niya po sa akin. Doon po, nataranta po ako, kinabahan po ako nun.
Pagpapalitin kayo ng shoes or ng pwesto, kayo po yung mag-iiwan, magtatrust po ba kayo? Papaiwan yung gamit? Or then, pag nabigo kanila, is ano yung reaction mo or feeling?
Siyempre. Naranasan ko na rin po yan eh, nang po ako, nagpaiwan po ako ng bag ko. Then pagbalik ko naman po, nandun po siya, hindi po siya kaya... Pero ngayon po, nung ako na po na-experience, talagang na kinabahan talaga.
Thank you po ulit sa pagiging part ng social experiment namin.
Through this social experiment, we were able to observe how people respond when trust is placed in their hands. By simply asking a stranger to watch over a bag, we created a moment where moral decision-making became visible in an everyday sense.
Those who reacted by questioning the intruder or protecting the bag demonstrated a strong sense of responsibility and awareness. Their action reflected moral character rooted in respect, caution, and concern for others. Meanwhile, those who did not react didn't necessarily show a lack of morality. Many people hesitate because they fear conflict, are unsure of their role, or simply assume nothing is wrong. Their responses reveal a different moral perspective, one influenced by uncertainty, social boundaries, and personal comfort levels.
In both cases, the moral agent was a person entrusted with the bag. Their moral character was shown through the choices they made. In the act, whether intervention or inaction, became the clearest expression of their values in that moment. In the end, this experiment reminds us that morality often appears in the smallest choices, sometimes bold, sometimes quiet, but always meaningful. Trust between strangers is fragile, yet powerful, and how we respond to it says more about us than we think.
Every ordinary moment is a chance to do something meaningful. A simple request, a single decision, a quiet act of courage. These define who we are. May we choose responsibility, kindness, and integrity even when no one is looking, and even when it's just a bag on a bench.